Hey guys, welcome back to another IGTV. So I'm going in with my �𝑑 base in the shade 2, working that all over the lid and just blending that in using a beauty blender. It's so much easier this way. Then I'm going in with the Carnival Antidote palette, the Stacey Marie collaboration, and I'm just going in with the shade October on 𝑬𝒀𝑬𝑺 227, and I'm just working that on my outer corner and right in and through the crease because this is a cut crease, so I'm just working it all the way through. Then I'm just going in with the shade Fawn and I'm just blending those edges out, really buffing it out towards the tail of the brow. Then I'm taking Pretty Peachy and I'm just going on that inner corner and then out on kind of the tail of the brow. Now, I made an absolute error and I forgot to hit record. So I've done my usual, I've gone with my micellar water and a cotton bud, cut my crease, and then I'm just going in with Tangy Tease by 𝑑 and I am just sculpting out this sort of really rounded shape, and I'm just using a brush just to really neaten those edges and kind of swoop it back in a little bit. And then a fluffy brush just to set that all in place. So I'm going in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, putting on thick coats. Then I'm taking the 𝑑 Salty AF paint and just run that through my waterline. Then I'm taking the Prima Lash in the style Booty and I'm just applying those, mostly just the kind of the outer thirds. Then I'm just taking my 𝑏_perfect and Indistructibrow pencil as usual and just running that through my brows. I'm just loving a much more natural brow these days, so not too much. Then I'm going in with my Morphe Sweet Tea liner and I'm just lining my lips with that. This liner is so hard to get, like I'm so sick of it being out of stock. Then I'm just going in with my Natasha Denona lipstick in the shade, I think this is Maria, and I'm just applying this all over, my new favourite nude. I love it so much. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye!